Hello everyone, I am Sayyed, teacher of Mount Litra Z School. In today's video, we will learn about the comparing quantities. So in comparing quantities, the first topic is about the ratio. So the first topic is ratio. So what do you understand by the ratio? Ratio is mainly used for the comparing the quantity between the two quantities. So suppose that a student A is having a height of 150 centimeter and student B is having a height of 100 centimeter. So I have to compare the ratio between the heights of the student A and the height of to the student B. The ratio of the height between the student A is to B. So which come first will become the numerator and the second will become the denominator. So how we have to find this ratio? So what you have to do, here is the solution for it. First, since we have to find the ratio of A is to B. So A height is 150, it is in numerator, divided by B height is 100, so it will become denominator. Okay, now reduce the common factor. So here 0 get cut, then 5 3 are 15 and 5 2 are 10. So after solving this, the value is become 3 upon 2. So the ratio between A is to B is equal to 3 is to 2. So this is how you have to find the ratio between the two quantities. So the height between the ratio of the height between A and B is 3 is to 2. So here the important thing which you have to remember during finding the ratio is that the unit should be same. So in this question the unit is same. Here is the centimeter, here is also a centimeter. So we need see next example. So in this question, we have to find the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meter. So how to find it? First important thing to notice. The important thing is that the unit between them is different. Here is this is 3 kilometer and here is meter. So you have to convert this into a proper unit. So here is the solution for it. Okay, so now in this solution, first convert 3 kilometer into meter. Okay, so since we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so when we have to convert with 3 kilometers, so 3 is multiplied by 1000. So the answer it becomes that is 3000 meter. And we already know the 300 meter is already given. So we have to find the ratio between 3 kilometer and 300. So put it in the division form, that is in the fraction form. So in numerator it becomes 3000 and in denominator it becomes 300. Now reduce the these fractions. So two zeros get cut, 3 1 ja and this 3 10 ja. So what is the ratio it becomes? It becomes 10 is to 1. So this is the ratio between the 3 kilometer to 300 meter. So this is how we have to find it. Now next topic is about the equivalent ratio. So in equivalent ratio. So for example, we have a ratio 2 is to 3. 2 upon 3 I have written. For example, we are having the ratio 2 is to 3. So how we have to convert this ratio into a equivalent ratio? So we have to multiply by common number in numerator as well as denominator. Suppose that I multiply 2 and here also in denominator I multiply 2. So the answer becomes 4 is to 6. So 2 upon 3 having the equivalent ratio that is 4 is to 6. So 4 is to 6 is the equivalent ratio of 2 is to 3. And this is how we can say it. If we have to reduce, suppose that I want to reduce. So if I reduce this, so again it becomes 2 is to 3. So that is why 4 upon 6 is the equivalent ratio. So in this exercise, the type of question that can be asked is 6 ball cost rupees 90. What would be the cost of 10 such balls? So how to solve these type of question? So see the solution very carefully here. Okay. So the 6 ball cost rupees 90. Since we have to find the rupees. Okay. So we keep the rupees on the right hand side. So this is the right hand side. And we know the 6 balls, and here we have to find the cost of 10 such balls. So we kept it in the left side. Okay. So here 6 balls cost to rupees 90. Okay. Now what is the cost of one balls now? So it is increase or decrease? Obvious the value should be low. So we have to divide. So 90 divided by 6. So 6 1 ja 6 and 6 5 ja 30. So the cost of one ball is rupees 50. So what is the cost of the 10 such balls? So the cost of 10 such balls is equal to rupees 15 into 10. So this becomes equal to rupees 150, and this is the answer. So in this way we have to find the ratio. In this way we have to find the value, and this is how we have to solve the exercise in these questions. So I hope you will understand. Thank you.